Okay, guys, we've got a little jewel here. This is a 2007 Volkswagen Passat Wagon Komfort. It is a one-owner car. Unbelievable. Only 116,000 miles. Got Michelin tires on it all the way around. I mean, say what? I mean, those miles are crazy low. Well, I can't get in it. How do I get in the car? Hold on a second. All right, the 2007 Jetta. I had to get in. We've got a sticky door handle. It doesn't want to open. I had to come through the passenger side and open this thing. Let's start it up. It's hot as heck, man. Little timing chain rattle there for a second. This thing's been sitting a while. AC, recirc. See if we got some cold air. Radio does not work. As you can see, the surrounds are pulled out. We're trying to find the fuse that we can replace on the back side. I mean, this thing just runs good. Sweet little car, man. It's got the 2.0T, which is a love it or hate it engine. But it's this one, and this particular one has been well maintained and looked after. No real issues. I mean, it just runs good. Just runs good. No coolant issues, no head gasket issues. Don't think no timing chain issues. A little rattle on that cold start, but like I said, this thing's been sitting over a week. So, you know, given its age and mileage, that's kind of to be expected on initial startup. Ooh, triple black makes for a hot car. We do have an airbag light, and we have, looks like one headlight or tail light or a driving light. Something's out silly like that. I've been waiting to drive this one. We've had this one a couple of weeks. But my brother has been at the lake, at his lake house with his kids, so we haven't had any time to really go through these cars yet. And I've been busy with my work, so I hadn't either. Man, this thing drives really good. What are you doing? I mean, you want to talk about clean? I mean, I know there's some junk in Gatorade water bottles. I think my brother daily drove this for a week or so. But I mean, this car was not beat on and ass whipped. I mean, even the buttons and switches still look pretty good, which you know on these get worn down, beat down. These still look really good in this car. There we go. Yeah, that area is cold. We got us a shift change here at the Public Works Department. Man, this thing has a little over a half a tank of gas. It says it has 365 miles left. What? God. My brother said he did fill it up. He said the miles per gallon were nuts on this thing. Ooh, she'll run, man. She's got the go. Golly, she's got the power. Wow. Man, I like this little wagon. I've always loved the Passat wagons. The old ones, the original ones, this body style. They're just a great looking car. And this one being an 07 with 116,000 miles. Seriously? Man, that is some low mileage right there. And man, these things sell at auction cheap. Nobody likes to bid on these things. They're so scared of them. But when we pulled the Carfax and then saw the condition of this thing, let me show you these seats, for example. Look at these seats. Look at those seats. I mean, that driver's seat has zero wear and tear. This car likes to lock itself. Okay. Look at these back seats. I mean, this thing is minty. Didn't haul around a bunch of anvils or... Does it have a power tailgate? It sure does. Clean back here. I mean, what? Oh, this reminds me of my Audi wagon. You got to press the button and give it a little push. They do that when they get a little age on them. They can't do it by themselves. This is a little jewel, man. A real jewel. I like it. We'll have to get us a good freeway drive on this one soon. But I'm not really in the position to do that right now. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about both cars. Subaru's definitely for sale. Passat, not sure. I might keep this one. Not sure. So y'all let me know what you think. Oh, now I can't get in it again. What's up with this thing? Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.